Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Hey, I'm looking at these two grills, the Weber Q1000 and the Nexgrill Deluxe 6-burner. Big difference in size, huh?
Totally. The Weber's all about portability, right? Like 189 square inches of cooking space and weighs only 27.5 pounds. Perfect for tailgating.
Yeah, but the Nexgrill is a beast. 768 square inches. That's, like 4 times the space. And it weighs over 124 pounds. Not exactly a grab-and-go situation.
True that, but think about it. The Nexgrill has 6 burners cranking out 60,000 BTUs, plus a searing side burner at 15,000 BTUs. You can cook a feast.
The Weber only has one burner with 8,500 BTUs. But, and this is a big but, it's cast aluminum. They say it heats up evenly. Plus, it's Weber. Solid reputation.
Reputation is key. The Nexgrill has porcelain-coated cast iron grates. They say they're rust and crack resistant, which sounds good.
What about features? The Weber is pretty basic. Push-button ignition, which is nice.
The Nexgrill has that too, but it also includes a rotisserie kit. You can roast a whole chicken. And LED lit control dials. Fancy.
Okay, rotisserie is cool, but the Weber is fully assembled out of the box. The Nexgrill, you gotta put it together yourself. I'm lazy, so that's a point for Weber.
Fair enough. The Nexgrill does have a double-door cabinet for storage, which is super useful, plus side prep tables.
Cost-wise, there's a huge gap. The Weber is around $229, while the Nexgrill is like $699.
Yeah, but you're getting a lot more grill for that price. It really depends on what you need, small and portable, or big and powerful?
Exactly. If I were camping, Weber all the way. For a backyard barbecue with a crowd, Nexgrill probably wins.
Definitely. Think about your grilling style and your budget. That'll make the decision easier.
Good call. Thanks for breaking it down. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.